What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I decided I'm going to do something totally different. I'm down here by Old Fulton Street in Brooklyn, New York with supplies, markers, pencils, sharpeners, erasers, and a sketchbook on an easel out. And I'm going to call anybody up. Nice social experiment that I like to call Draw Anything. It's just to see who has love for art and how art can bring people together and put out some happiness in this crazy world we live in. So we are just going to see who steps up to the plate. So now we just sit and wait. After about 15 minutes, I got my first beautiful couple right here that's willing to step up to the plate. My man, we're doing a social experiment, man. All you gotta do is draw something. Anything. I saw you look at the canvas, anything. That's it. That's it. Just nah, that's why the canvas is. It's about just showing the love of art. If anybody got any, you could just even write your name in graffiti. It don't gotta be nothing, man. It's nothing, man. Anything. You already said it could be just your nickname. It could be 2 graffiti letters. You already there.
You do something. You do something. I do something on the side.
You don't know how to draw? It don't matter. You can just do anything. Grab a marker, grab a pencil. It's anything. Nah, that's what everybody think. But nah, it's to see who got the love for art. Man. It could be anything. You can write your name on it. You can take it if you want, or you can leave it in the sketchbook. It's all love.
What?
D and W. That's cool. That could work right there. Who's D and who's W?
That's D and I'm W.
Oh, okay. That was sweet. That was sweet right there.
I thought you was about to. I'm saying.
Nah, that's.
Oh, you about to draw something. I
Nah, I know. Nah, it's just the love. Whoever got love, you know what I mean? You stop off, you put the canvas up.
I used to do it, and then I stopped. Now I'm trying to get myself back to it.
It's a therapeutic kind of thing, so whenever your mind get right, that's what it's about, you know what I mean? The therapy of creativity, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know how to draw, so.
Hey, you draw, and you took the marker. You didn't take a pencil, you took the marker. That means you went straight for it, you know what I mean?
ain't going straight for it. I
like that. He got some skills because he's picking and choosing, like, you know what I mean?
He doesn't know how to draw, like, really good.
Yeah, he picking and choosing. What he trying to use right now?
Just do whatever. You see what I did? You can do whatever.
Oh, now my boy getting loose. Watch the drink in there. You got that drink in there.
That's good.
I can look this up.
Yeah, you can do you. You can take it out if you want.
It
All you
can
gotta
go
do, yeah, it can go higher.
With this?
Yeah. All you gotta do is unscrew these. Unscrew this one and move it up.
And then
you
screw
can
it
lock
back.
it. Yeah, and then screw it back. You lock it in. If you want to take the book out, you can take it out if you want. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna try to do it like this.
That's what I'm talking about. Y'all making it a lovebird thing, so y'all could take it if y'all want, you know what I mean? Or you can leave it. Okay, my boy wilding right there. That's what I'm telling. This boy neat. Oh man, that's some neat work right there, son. Nah, your lines are straight. You ain't even using a ruler right there. Like, nah, that's what I told you. It look like you're using a ruler. It look like it's straight ass lines, like you using a ruler right there. That's what's up.
One of his drawings.
This is his for real?
Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah, he's really good. He put on the spot right now, so he don't want to do it, but...
So why you stop? You ain't shouldn't stop you doing work like this, my dude.
Yeah, that's nice, right?
Nah, this is really unique, man. Like, nah, this is crazy.
It's really nice.
You know what this reminds me? I don't know if you know Van Gogh, but it's like Van Gogh
I'm not that good with the
2000th
artist.
century. If you ever look up Van Gogh,
That's what it
that's
looks like.
Van Gogh 2025 right there.
It's high school that did that to me.
Nah, you murdered that right there,
High
man.
school made me then not want to do art no more. I'm like, nah.
Got you, nah, I got you. The thing what you gotta realize though, like mad people be looking for work, man. You know what I mean? You move in a new apartment, you looking to hang stuff on your wall. You could even just sell prints. You don't even gotta sell the original. You just make one and you sell prints. You know what I'm saying?
I was trying to tell him that people buy art.
No, hell yeah. Because people moving all the time, man. Every time you want to hang something on your wall, and then you want to hang something unique like a tattoo, you don't want to buy something that everybody got, you know what I mean, that you could get at Walmart. No, for real, you want to buy some unique kind of piece.
Nah, yeah.
And the way how people do it, like you could make like see that? You make like only 100 prints. So it's exclusive.
Yeah.
So only 100 out there, and then if somebody want the original, they gotta pay more for the original piece. But you buy the 100 pieces, and then you're online. Everybody doing stuff online right now, man.
The outer layer, right?
I think you know what to get him for his birthday, man. A sketchbook and some supplies.
He got a sketchbook. He got a whole setup.
Oh, he got the setup. He got the setup already. Got you. It's time. Life. You got to be in the right mind.
This right here, just show this right here.
Ah, that's a good vibe. I can't hear that.
I stopped because I really thought you was about to draw something.
Now I saw you look. That's why you were the first. I said, you caught a look at the canvas. And our boy know what he's looking at.
Did I leave that box like that?
Whatever.
You got the black,
Yeah.
you got the Sharpies, and you got the other one here. The Copic is cool
No, I'm
too.
not good with lines.
Copic is good too, right there.
I'm not good with lines.
Ah, your lines are mad straight too, man.
What color? Which letter should I do? I'm gonna do Y.
Not gonna lie, it be days.
100% right, yes.
Pencils you see, all the pencil marks, that's when
You erase those loose pencil marks, 100% right.
Don't matter about that.
That's what's up.
Look at mine.
That 5, all right. Number 5, all right. Watch out, stay out them streets, son.
You want to tell him what that means, though?
I know, I think I know what the 5 mean. I think I know what it mean.
Nah, this, like my best friend passed away in a car accident.
Oh shit, sorry to hear that, my
That's
man.
what the Z is for, and 5's jersey number.
And that's what his hat says.
Oh, playing ball.
His hat.
Oh, playing ball.
Long live Z right here.
How long ago that happened?
Like November.
That's when it
Oh,
happened.
not even a year.
No, it hasn't been a year yet.
Oh shit, sorry, my man. In a car accident? Yeah, sorry, man. Yo, I appreciate y'all, man. Yo, much respect, man. Y'all dating and all that?
Yeah.
A long time?
Yeah, we're about to hit 3 years.
Yo, blessings for y'all, man.
Thank you.
Y'all can take it if you want. You know,
take
if
it?
you want to take it, you can take it a memory. You never know. I keep it?
Yeah, do that.
Start drawing. Now you just gave him inspiration.
Nah, I'm happy. That's what's up, man.
Put color to it. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm happy.
Yeah, I
Thank you so
appreciate
much.
y'all, man. Yo, be good, man. Yo, long live Zay, man. It does not
Yeah,
matter.
can you do that,
Anything. Oh, you want me to take a picture?
No, just like do a vid.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
I'll expect it. How you doing? What's your name?
I'm all right. DR. What's yours?
DR, I'm Bree.
Bree?
What am I doing? What am I
Bree,
doing? What am I
anything,
doing? I don't
anything.
know.
It doesn't matter. It could be the worst thing you do in your... It's just showing the love of art. That's really what this is
art, I
about.
like that.
If you love of creativity, anything you can do, it could be just your name. Bree, that's what I'm talking about. You gangster.
I don't even know.
You stepped up to the plate. It doesn't matter. And you didn't even use a pencil. That means you just went straight through
Oh,
with
I
a
can use
marker.
a pencil?
Yeah, the
Oh,
pencils
shit.
are there if you want to.
shit,
You can change the page if you want.
don't
And you
know.
can take it with you if you want.
I don't want to waste it. All right.
No, you can waste it. That's what it's about. It's just,
Woo! Uh-oh.
even though you ripped 3,
I
but it's
ripped
all right.
3.
That's all right.
I'm gonna Venmo you.
No, that's all right. Don't worry about that.
Alright.
Anything, no pressure. You just flowing. Creativity flows. That's it. Oh, you're doing a live view. All right, you are definitely mean with your. All right. All right, don't let me put no pressure. Just do you. If you want to go next, you can go next. It's just about drawing. Anybody can draw anything like that. If you want to go next, you just...
Fast forward, they then put it in the lap. So it's so cool.
It's like falling, I think.
It is?
You guys are up next. Let's go. see it. That's my terrible.
That's
terrible.
it. Ah,
I don't try. I don't have an artistic.
No, you did it.
Thank you, baby.
You did
I
it.
love
Thank you, Bree. Thank you, Bree. Hold on, let's change the page. Let me change it. I think it's safe to say this was a success, and I'm gonna continue this at a later date because a couple of kids ran up, and it just turned into a beautiful thing after that. So this will be continued. If you guys like this content, let me know and I will do some more videos like this. Remember, smash that like button, hit the subscribe, smash that notification bell so you know when I upload any new videos. Let me know what you thought about this new style of content. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.